Nasim and welcome back to my channel. So it's winter in Canada right now and it has been brutal for my skin. It gets dry, patchy, flaky, chapped lips, all that horrible stuff. So I decided to do a winter skincare routine for those of you who are dealing with the cold weather like I am. But if you are lucky enough to be living in a warm climate and you also deal with dry skin, this is also going to be a very good routine for you guys to follow regularly. So I'm going to show you how I keep my skin healthy and glowing despite the terrible weather outside. The routine is really very simple, so let's get started. So first off, when you go from your warm home outside into the cold and dry air, that constant change between the cold and warm temperature can cause your skin to get kind of dry and patchy. So one of the things I do to avoid this is I drink a ton of water. Naturally, during the winter time, we tend not to get as thirsty, but you really have to force yourself to drink those fluids to stay hydrated. Now, even though water is obviously the most important, what also counts is milk, soup, tea, all that good stuff as long as you are drinking fluids. It's not only going to keep you hydrated, it's also going to flush out the toxins from your body that would otherwise cause blemishes and breakouts. So load up on the water, keep a water bottle in your purse, keep it on your side table when you go to bed. Just make sure you drink a lot of water. Did I say that enough times? The second most important thing is exfoliating and moisturizing.
So today to exfoliate, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Skin Spa from Vanity Planet, and inside this case it comes with the spin brush and 3 detachable heads. So this first one is very soft. I like it for my sensitive skin, so this is what I'm going to be using to exfoliate my face with. The second detachable head over here is just very slightly firmer than the first one. So this is great for maybe armpits or your back, elbows, knees, stuff like that. And this third one is a silicone brush. So I really like this because it doesn't hold any bacteria or any germs. It's very easy to wash, and this is something I would use with masks like charcoal masks or Glam Glow or whatever soft mask you like to use on your face. Little compact case it comes in because it's very easy to just put it in my carry-on or in my suitcase whenever I go traveling, so it's very handy. If you have sensitive dry skin, it's definitely better to use brown sugar instead of white sugar. It's a lot softer, so it's better on the skin, and the honey is going to help with blemishes and any breakouts you might have. I love making homemade masks for exfoliation, but one of the reasons I like the spin brush is because it makes exfoliating a lot easier. And oftentimes, if you don't have any time to make a mask, you can even use just soap and water. So since it's 2018, it's a new year now, you can go ahead and treat yourself because this is definitely something you want to add to your cleansing collection. And you can also get 70% off right now. Just use my code, which is listed in the description below, as well as the website where you can go ahead and purchase. After washing off the mask, I moisturized with Pond's cream, which I'll post in the description if you would like to purchase it. It's a nice rich cream for wintertime, and just gave myself a spray of Evian for a little bit of added hydration for my skin.
And that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Nasim, and my Snapchat, Real Nasim. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.